Top dividend-paying stocks of 2023 in India. You may have heard about forthcoming dividend stocks as well as high dividend companies in the news and wondered whether you should invest in any of these high dividend-producing firms. Investment in such stocks has drawbacks. Let us go further into this matter by beginning with the fundamentals. What are dividends? A shareholder's complete gain from stock ownership takes the form of capital growth through the rise in the value of the shares and dividends. Dividends are periodic payments given by firms to shareholders from their profits. They may be made primarily in cash, as well as in the form of securities or other instruments. What are dividend stocks, and why should you buy them? A dividend stock is the stock of a firm that pays out large dividends from its profits on a regular basis to its owners. If big, profitable corporations, in particular, anticipate that their stock prices will remain static, they may consider declaring huge dividends to appease present shareholders while also attracting future investors, so increasing the stock price. Some corporations pay dividends in the form of total dividends and interim dividends more than once each year. As a result, if a firm that consistently pays significant dividends has an imminent dividend release, you should acquire it since you will get the dividend by simply investing the share price at the point of purchase, and will most likely profit from capital appreciation within the near future. Lastly, a company's ability to declare dividends is a positive indicator that it is financially solid and expanding. Before you continue reading about the highest dividend-paying stocks in India 2023, it is critical that you understand a few financial terminologies related to dividends. 1. Divide the company's yearly cash dividend per share either by the current stock price to get the dividend growth. 2. Dividend yield equals dividend per share, share price multiplied by 100. 2. The payout ratio for dividends is derived by dividing the final dividend paid to shareholders by the company's total profits for the year. 3. Consider that a firm with stocks that produce income at an excessively large dividend payout ratio, say, 50%, may lack sufficient capital for reinvestment and growth. Thus, avoid stocks from such companies. 3. As a result, top dividend-paying stocks in India 2023 are not necessarily in your best interests. Best dividend-paying stocks of 2023. The following are some of the highest dividend-paying stocks in India 2023. 1. Ineos Styrolution India Limited. The firm has paid over 297 rupees dividends in the last year, whereas its share price is now at 875 rupees, resulting in dividend growth of about 34%. 1. However, its stock price has dropped by 40.28% in the past year. 2. Vedanta Limited. In the previous year, the firm paid out 77 rupees and 50 paise in dividends, and its current stock price is 292 rupees and 55 paise. 2. As a result, it will have a dividend yield of 26.5% in 2022. 2. Nevertheless, its stock has substantially underperformed the market, falling 0.85% in the previous year. 3. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. The company's dividend yield is 16.8%, based on a dividend of 11 rupees and 40 paise paid in the last 12 months, and its current stock price is 67 rupees and 85 paise. 3. Nevertheless, its stock price dropped by 22.13% in the previous year. 4. Rural Electricity Corporation Limited. It is a division of Power Finance Corporation Limited, and its current stock price is 95 rupees and 75 paise. 4. It paid a dividend of 15 rupees and 30 paise per share. 4. This translates into a 16% dividend growth for its stockholders. 4. However, its stock price has dropped by 19.56% in the past year. 5. Power Finance Corporation Limited. It paid a dividend of 12 rupees per unit and has a current market value of 105 rupees and 90 paise, resulting in a dividend growth of 11.33%. 5. Nevertheless, its stock price has dropped by 24.88% in the past year. 6. National Mineral Development Corporation Limited. It paid a dividend of 14 rupees and 74 paise in the last 12 months, and its current stock price is 132 rupees and 85 paise, giving its stockholders an 11.1% dividend growth. 6. However, its stock price has decreased by 8.25% in the last year. 7. Steel Authority of India Limited, with a current market value of 82 rupees and 30 paise and a dividend growth of 10.6%. This CPSE company has paid a dividend of 8 rupees and 75 paise. 7. Nevertheless, its stock price has dropped by 29.47% in the last year. 8. Bharat Electronics Limited. This CPSE company has paid a dividend of 4 rupees and 50 paise per share. Each share is now valued at 105 rupees and 95 paise, for dividend growth of 4.25%. 8. Even better, the share price of Bharat Electronics has increased by 54.93% in the past year. 9. National Thermal Power Corporation. This is another CPSE whose stock has paid a dividend of 7 rupees per share, giving investors a dividend growth of 4.19% at a stock value of 166 rupees and 95 paise. 9. Its stock price has risen by 10.41% in the last year. 10. Union Bank of India. In the last 12 months, the company has paid a dividend of 1 rupee and 90 paise, yielding a dividend yield of 4.13% at a price of 45 rupees and 95 paise. 10. In the last year, the Union Bank of India share price has increased by 1.77%.